Ngua eda Ngua me come for the amano Ngua a free Quansin investment company ene omoye ngo papa amazing special palm oil zomina open no and your packaging fefe sano everybody do your thing afe yawo amazing virgin coconut oil amazing virgin coconut oil. Patapa we amema ne bi akoya anwamu. Patapa so tum so behu aduane ye pa. So duro boy de. Oye hustler. Onima aduane akura be no amana hye. E bedi ni sa. Enti anwa e de aduane ne amazing virgin coconut oil. Eba cho menkodi anwa bi ankonya fever wa me srew. Menkodi anwa bi ankonya fever wa me srew. Afe ope plantain chips ai muso eda. Eno so ya ebi. Ena so ya ka o se ena ye mfa waduro wa bebiem. Atwam okọ wa be wo Isleguan police for betimacho. Escafo no mto mu mpedede. Nya fe na team abrochire wo fufuo. Pataba okọ Germany hu so bi wo fufuo da. Da bi wala hu won ban mpo no wo hu wodu. Wo hu zade. It is aro o abrochire na okọ do fufuo aye nde pataba. They said the can be wrong. Nzaya mekwa metame pegale gala afa. Enti mesro we no ya wa bene dada ye besre nya afi na akope waduro bi abiem. Enti ya package oto a no asone so wawie. Ene o monkasa was 0244 612 288. 0244 612 288 na one Quansin investment for emonkomo. Enei o madaroma ena yeko yanim sa no patapa wa hawatena se patapa bra wani mame na o nose mask no hawa betumi yi menu no pe ne wo studio anti yi mensuro na yefu ho ei twa konya bra wanim akase ya ba fie yes abusuafo momra na momhe patapa watena se na nitinam sa na watwe bi osesam enenso de ode aba na different de ode aba na different cra. Now we are streaming live on Facebook. Bra Facebook says here, na search Accra 100.5 FM. Accra 100.5 FM. Facebook no so. Na bra your favorite artist, Patapa, he's seated. Question be na peso busano. Dia na wati a peso busa Patapa. O peso bona baso. Dia na peso woni Patapa eche no na no pay. Me ba cho answer na mema Patapa kwa ba no. We eye Adam Konkosa. Labadi swadi etesa odobi ehu yo se me go yes nanka me no dey ye tempted de bi alado agosu ane no dey ye tempted de bi alada nanso me no dey ye tempted de bi alado yo se me Nanga me no do ya tempted to be alada. Say me no do ya tempted to be alada. Agosuwa me no do ya tempted to be alada. Olukumni we are kokonseni ya se hu bibi ya yedi. Adam kokonseni se wuti bibi ya yego. Dey we asia keka ye fem kosi. Abrabo me get to ya FM ko bia Maxio Adam kokonseni e wuti bibi ya yidi we yo kokonseni so ase wo bibi ya yego de wi ase ya keka ya FM ko si Abrabo me get to ya FM ko bia Anyway, me say me share na me de ma Patapa na ose so mame. Patapa bonyum bebre, but this song is one of the finest productions why. Patapa say ho mame yanko. Johnny Esesia na bra be Patapa tinwi. Accra FM. Yes. Accra. Bobo boss.
The word is Accra FM.
And one no.
When we talk about Accra, it's a mamuni Accra.
And one
yes. It is station here then. A big
yes.
In the area below. Modern better pepe. DJ Yanko.
1, 2, 3.
Alive. Nanka me no do intensity baby alado. Akosua me no do intensity baby alada. Nanso me no do intensity baby alado. Yo say Nanka me no do intensity baby alado. Say me no do intensity baby alada. Akosua me no do intensity baby alado. Yo Accra FM baby awodi abuolu tie wo yo kokon se ni ase hu bibi ya yedi Adam kokon se ni se wuti bibi ya yeko ni wiase akeka ye fenko si baby ababo me ni ketu ya ye fenko baby Adam kokon se ni se hu bibi ya yedi wo yo kokon se ni so ase wuti bibi ya yeko we are see a keka yen fenko si baby. Respect ababa me ni ketu we are yen fenko baby. Yeah. And apo we paso filia. We do not see ano fatu Accra FM. That's right. Ti akobra ti. Yanko. O said that akobra I say.
To akwabo de no ma na
bacho oya akwabo amele patapa
ti ebetumi aba se onyum obefiche obi ba na ne part no ntumi nto
e wo do se woto metuma atoba ho se se etiefu no wotie High Life we say we me friend the new face of High Life
yes
nti mpese mu wo hu bi a auto High Life e wo Ghana ha aside akoboa ne papa me na owo papa no medwuma opankasa eye opinyin kobina akoboa eye akoboa ne papa
okay
but what I say na me so me godfather ankasa me penase me na nampedu nti me ye High Life na me so no later me na akoboa ya den engine aso ko endwumu ye ndwuma oba benya sabe dabi
pempe
it's akoboa no fata ndwumu den ndwumu we because uti ndwumu ya e take your message emobia e send message man kofu because obi obeko bi no asem na wa say nedwuma obi beko bi no asem wa say obi wa walu wontim you see me but at the end of the day na wa ko bi no asem we na fi dwun bisa so motua ne kawana wa say obi na wal onipa na say na wa nuku no o wa kofa ne to ana iti Adam kokonsa no a me boy ne Yankopon bo Adam de gina ho man nipa
okay
but what I see you or the command poma abofo ni say fi ndo ko won hwe wi no ho because ono yeden nesaso nti obi a oye nipa da seni na wo saso nsu ni bia wo mu no ndwom ne send message ma o say jai sada no
obi the message aba say onwuma wabo nyina we na enyansa nwom
ma eba mposo sin we
wow
because obasha beginning me ba interview me choose na mangasa me High Life artist
okay
but Yankopon pese ukuweni ma odo fa level bi na ode me fa wan kona nti sisi an wose patapa so obon kwasi anwoma me so menim kwasi afa me bon me de ma won nti sisi aye ni aye mbuem na ye show bi also e den auto High Life
nti so be challenge High Life for no na
say High Life one obo High Life work High Life is not about love kan asema ewo asase so etumi si se Adam kokonsa because Adam kokonsa eyade o ho dada yes because baby out simple bia na yobi yawo
sure
he's ready to fight say obem we you fia no wa be hwa name it's at the end of the day we you fia bisa say oboto edbi ama wana
obusa asem
you get me obe edwuma yobi eswitch wa akọ wife o ukuna forget on ofe edwuma ne oba yo ne nam oboku fie na wo problem ofie abla oni mo hwe so ni pa no ya Adam den so
nipa
and I made the first one so nipa na den jai samai second verse Adam kokonseni sa nkofo no wotum ble ni paase wonu miyam no pese woje na wofa woje wie na wofa so wontum fan ye hwe wonu ma na wa se gali
onfanya hwe patapa yansantie enwum no biem because enwum no ma tie no over and over sa na me say wow say okata wani na utia onka say patapa because ye nimu say
ti ade bia o start o say nanka me no do idie ye ntem titi de bia lado
wow
akosu ami no do ya ye ntem titi de bia lada
wow
nanso me no do ya ye ntem titi de bia lado are you there it's here then I'm ntem etete we
yanko bi Johnny Facebook kun so say na fa comment nyina bra na read why Accra
FM
100.5 FM
yo se me na kinu de dia intensity de dia lado akosura ni no do ya intensity de dia lada
yanko
na so me no do ya intensity de dia lado akobwa be bia wo bia na pe ya respect Nanka me no do ya intensity de bia lado
that's you
say me no do ya intensity de bia lada
the man no say
akosua me no do ya intensity de bia lado
sa
onu community ete matoto what say we your kokonseni ya say hu bibi ya yedi
yanko
adam kokonseni say wuti bibi ya yeko we asi akeka ya fen ko si bibia
dabi
ababo me mi ketu ya fen ko bibia
yes sir
adam kokonseni say wuti bibi ya yedi
yanko
we your kokonseni so say hu bibi ya yeko we asi akeka ya fen ko si bibia ababo me mi ketu ya fen ko bibia hotel 75 million who obesi was on cemetery hotel and so one single room it's about bobo ni why lapoe
enwum we ede na ba wadwemu a oye enwum we patapa
I say amanfo kasa na patapa wa we me pese me ho bofo Ghana fo
okay
it's de bia me ba show no so am say third time ni
yes.
me catch you say na me high life artist it's now no na pese me proof amanfo wrong it's six and also we high life
okay
what the wa radio sia obi also ya hard say article ana hwana waje go me yendo 2 days obi an fan ya high life 2 one watch me mencho na ye show bi anendum ni yansa den sem ewo na won fan che e bia na adofo won fan che na nampedu won fan che na won judge na ye hwe because
ada obi no compete with high life one
mpesa me mo say aya wo ye wo brag wo bi you know music talent I so bi aka James oko what's it also school say Bible school na Bible school Jesus Christ or bas I so ko den school
that be trying asema na okay
me kase mi achro ya me de adom no ma wa wo o de ama from your funu mu na o ma me awo nto so no obonye no o de sika petwa na yeme ni ahyehye ansa na de ba asase so nti obi a wo chance so ba asase so e se we den wo ye
nti Bible school ehun hia won
na Bible school room say ya me be for wa found so we a we presenter CCA ya wo ye ma yen artist ni ekoye nim no uti ya the next day we bet won kan na o preach o kan eshi en na ya adom no wo so de na wo kan won fa we ya no wo we no
anko Bible school
na Bible school Bible school
wow
it's no your so can so call Bible school you are not from God we ya pray yes
pray ya den
pray
eno ya den
present out when I go back at you say me nimu
patapa asema okama ehu kura
so yes it's rare
wo so your so for na
in the me kasa chew ya ma ba adam kokonsen okay wo be chance what patapa agina e bia na circle o preach ene ne adom no
e be ya won say patapa de ko ba bi school
ene ne adom no
sa
but wo tie mi o na o ko Bible school a o ko sia connection ye
connection ben sa
mo olive oil me the cow pray ma be you say you a liar you are not from God
wow
also the man kwa nti en so fe den ye fe nche kwa nti wan fa ma kwa na okosua
e ho ne ma ne basa no
we la pray
present Present out. Patapa. Now, I said and say, when you kukudu be the kasapa.
No, it's not about kukudu. You know, who say me lie now? Ya me de mamano. Me da me ka ade we o baby so. Me obi oni ma ade atini mu no. Shatawale pe. Anu no bi otumi so me say boy we or you super. It's now your artist. Now you saw the Watson band so me show with the man po me pa me nkasa ho. Me ma ndrom ba ko pe. Wala the best pe ho. You see me?
Yeah.
Because ade ya me de mamano. Wo a wo be ye super na. Umbu adam wala on tuma petition da ma tuma petition da.
Yeah.
Oh yes, still burning that. Na la me twa blocks ada. Nti me na ya adom na ya me de adan. O de ama me. Nti ameka say metie motuma san so beti an so what's patapa o preach. The same adom na o de ama o music ni mu. Na so o de adan. Because by this anapu bebe we kuti ya san ka patapa.
And ma me mbusa we. Nti say we musician na so call music school also e.
Na music school.
I o mo music school.
Nti we was so music school no. Wo pa one black challenge. Na want tongue ma ebotuma ko nkofo wa aso. Na yentie.
I say nyansanyum.
Ye kan yansandum na nampedu. Adofo ampofeje na ade ade no won wo bo yansandum.
Omo so man ko music school bia.
But wo ko na that na music school no e wo University of
na say
adoma what the man no sisi ameme na nan eye na nampedu yi wasan so ye godfather or your sofu sisi
yeah.
But what you mean? Adoma ya me dey aden because utie no ndwuma bobɔ no the driver na no ho
like na ndwuma bobɔ bubu ni na
utie adofo a afutu ye den ba yen dey oba wa be ya life dey bia and I love you na nti dey bia mba no gote na one love one na me wo de bobɔ bra ne de won ka.
Wow.
Ebesi wa asase
so.
That is her life. Her life ya ade a etumi si. Ma etumi ba. It's who I say wo ka se ma che nipa bi. Who say Adam Kokonso bi say audio bi ana no message. Obi botum aka ho asem wa say wedwuma just one day. Woni say ye obi wo ho a we obi pe wasem pa. But just a seconds now onipa da se ne be ka ho asem a che so nipa no. That time no hu mpo a amben po ma pepem no we jai bo because we are out of coverage area.
Okay. Enti patapa say o ya artist now ko music school.
You are not a musician. Ade ameka sa no we chewa ade bi. Ye won ho obo live band.
Okay.
Onipa ba ko obotuma abodan so. Watu reggae.
Yeah.
Watu hala because oko music school.
That be onko music school.
Afima meka no atma se pa. Suspect na wo mi mu.
Enti wo say wo no o dey na talent from God.
Yes, it's na uti sweet one na. Mbacho me boss Stoneboy, oye dancer. But uti sweet one na, high life. But Stoneboy ye den, oye high life no. It's ono oye musician.
Okay. Complete.
Beat bi adman bi obe den, obe kill no. But also obo dancer, so be so ma dancer beat and san no to ma record dey no nka ho. Oye high life. One more chance no tafiri mu beat untumentu a won ye musician adum bi keke.
I see.
But some confess wo brag won say they are musicians.
Patapa unji ni say o fade out intina na say o de controversies na eba no.
No
on fade out
that be o de flyer no ko to Facebook say Instagram say wo ba ha no o ne o fan bi kun say wo hu ya ma me hwe ade no o de to no say my man, your time is gone. Don't be paying for interviews. It's time for you to sleep. Leave the game for the small boys. Yes,
now you grow.
Small boys one. Me beto Shatawale. Me beto Stoneboy. It's a me to me ka cho say obia wadi bia ye bia enemy si eden ewom. And you bia no be pe wasem pepepe.
Okay.
Nipa ne ya pe wasem pepepe adwi. It's wo ya de nipa ye obi ya wa to the sense ni ye mpa nka wa mpo nkasa bio.
Ampa.
It's nipa na me ne ha no say ye de ba wiase a oye toilet true. O ka toilet true awada say ade a wo de kitu. Idea papa bi an den e na dream oni yansa o tumi hwe ne family
na then na also ye superstar na okoyi ano o ka che ne say tell your parents to die now because they are too old to be living and I will do same as you wish chinam
thank you
and na o ko onu
on na ne man one o you paying
minim but they make an say oh ye superstar
anti be ye super the super anti obi ke ka rough and anti super anti ye jan ya no esu oh super and ya bradi mo
padapa na yakaso be a celebrity but manu wosoro o to come from a yakaso be a celebrity I say to me tolerate no ma bebre ye wo no ma bebre de na okan gu asumi ye wo no ma bebre wo ho a say we celebrity a untumi nye
okay nice one
say wa bra bo nyina say sura bofo no even though onya sura bofo enti e abotre adwuma enti say wo fan me ba cho say dem mu ye de say mu obe so concentration mu jan Patapaa is a big guy enti adana also so obi so ewo Instagram na wo dinatem why
me chewa de bi
tell me
we say Ghana for peme madia me ye na wo peme
Ghana for nyina
obi bebre
ai
he da say Ghana for mpo anipa bebre yasefu bebre because no bia no e den onimi artist bi wa Ghana pen no e den wodi mi no na ma so so ansem no so e den ache wotumi kasa ntia ma ye the new face of what her life say no don bebi amemi fi me na ma me ye den me ba music den industry no you are from Norway you say basking po onibi so obi po no wa chance o mo choice I don't know bobo
okay
nti we superstar aya wo nkoti efi ana
oh okọ bata ya abotre
abotalbe no so fumpo ya oham dabi obi o wa unse obi say teach this boy a lesson
teach him lesson
yeah next time you should know how to talk unim book back ba should do no be sign me obe family brotherhood on hip hop skinny nti me be ye hate no onim po say den eye blight nti ye ko ko unam chance boss o kai me asa da bi me na ba should do obe family ye be da hotel we me ne Patapaa say hey
that I'm not the same
na me de amisti
na Saudi na de pao amisti
someone come and took my name
obi fire o say na say we popular sini pakura na
no we say you would dim wo wa me wo wa me pese me yard obi be ye bi
yeah
it's na me pese me obe fun Ghana for nti obi say Patapaa obe gidigidi si say yambo her life na you should be your campaign
they say no pese o ma obi ati asese you are super talented
yes
why say kurasi ni kanika
yeah man
unya maburo unya muntos
unya yadom
bibia bi nti to bet my dance so nyina
o de wankasa se ne beat bla
reggae
senior Stonebwoy oh yeah her life sana metuma den my dance so ye beat no dey amount you have to kill it
okay
just believe in yourself my media amount ye
Patapaa Klaus awunya wa bra ode wankwa na buy no after that unya sa Klaus no biem are you aware
who say social media
okay
and our home po a won so we brand won obi an support bia won yigidi but when they come to show and na program bia na who fans
okay
but why they
anya fans no po
crowd
the way I would di ko wiase ba bia no after wankwa na ye nya ne sa bia
bi no be bia
up to now
yeah man
o release ya unya hit said the wankwa na
even Adam Kokonsen e de na siam we just check na shade
okay minim ade ba ku bi wo ho a mepe wasem wo ho you are very frank and honest do you think say a normal sesa wo ho and you have grown with this music thing who is sir
man ka me ba music industry we never been as some my brabom
okay
and we say me ba so a me obi a me entertaining
okay
ntema painful be no den opamasem and so nta be man yin be bia na first me ye no san man ne man den meja
e be ye den first now ye den
oh we say obi a ya fa we no say show
okay
ham na den na san man ne aden atoko and this ya no bo sha me ma be yo ba tan but we tell me ma be yo ba tan and ye na mission or the den what do to ye that is my life
and it say no we just as suban no
say we ye den kwese wujai because mark ba ho pe Patapaa obiani Patapaa
rumor be na ya otefa ho a ompe
ene de ya atia
e bi ye den
yema beble no do ntum kasa ompe
ba ko ye den rumor intwanto so e bi ye den kasa me ho
bobo mama ka say ene de bia
ena me se mama mienu pe rumor mienu a hiti wo kafa ho ye wo ya wampe
be ka say last 2 years ndimu bimu yes to say Patapaa abadam ewo airport obekai ni amete moti say ma abadam nti me say music no sa na ade ne yeden eti obi and support no the next day no obon say ebia na bibia we kujia no waka no support be sansa yo nipa na yawo afi be stand aba bobo den against ade bia wo ho ewo fie ewo busuem ewo bibiem na you are from nowhere na wan so about just no abaye sadi wan just believe say then I'll be here
all right
and artists ni been to me chair one fans say Charlie boy we mun yesi infa no mun yesi infa because they scared of you when you say we jawa small town about this devil
okay
into the music industry ni me hu mi yi na me ni ma de bia dey Ekoso.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fans ne say mensambo Adam Konkonsa na
yomode. Nice one.
But my kind comment kakra.
Mate.
Badago Divine say good morning, watching live from Abekala Parts. Good work, Patapa.
Oh, Yamishano.
Patrick say Accra FM, you mad up. Then the fire number. And I wish to say or say this is wicked haircut. Also haircut in you wicked.
So
Nana Yao say good morning. I'm Mogasti from Spintes. Big shout out to my boss Pizzy. You be my favorite artist. I will follow you from all social media. Photocopy say hi. This is Photocopy. Watch you live at Odoko. Bunch love to your guest Patapizzi.
Bobo.
Yes. When you say Nana tell Patapa and Tamoti still supports him. I see your friend and Tamoti also support you still.
Oh, more fire.
So for my Apostle Arena Dujemfi said Nana one. Or fire I say good morning, Kiki. I'm say Kiki Jane fans I don't know.
Yeah, man.
Or say you see me, Charlie Pizzy. I be your junior Patapa in Spintes. I get all your songs. What you say Patupa.
So yes. Reverse.
Or say best brunch show in Ghana. Okay. Well, Mami Akule. Thank you, bro.
Nice.
Bullyman GSN and this song is dope so far. Also you mean so far.
Won't push in some more.
Gabriel. Or say Patapa. Now, before I hear you sing a good song, okay, because I just say, after now, what is our body?
Mr. Mebano, assisting way.
Wow.
So what's the room?
Okay.
It's the room.
Abdul Suli said, Dr. K. Okay, I say, Busapatapa say, ne hairstyle no dini eden. Na Baba Ben the Yemano. If you didn't say,
me hairstyle no, we find Toshion. Yeah.
As you say.
My man,
nobody now the message there.
Me boy bi o me yan ma che subject no. Obi o ye no o fen Lady Part. Our aboso.
Okay.
Big Brothers. No o ye mitibia me ye bia o buy no ye Lady Part. Ono ye.
Wife for Hanoko.
Oh, say me no kwai. Na go for one from me ya. Why am Yesu ye wini kan go pon boy so am nose mask. And can nose so mask wom. Eze ni program Ghana.
Enti ono ho. Okay. Abu Ibrahim said, Nana Romeo, I'm Skelewu from Ashama. Tell Patapa, may Allah put him on top.
Amen.
Of his enemies.
Amen.
Sterling said, good morning. Ask Patapa if he will collaborate with Kwame Eugene, since he is also a high life artist. You don't know.
Okay. I am a fans in the day. My salute in the face.
Okay.
Me need a collaborate.
Thank you. Or say to say Patapa, preach on. I'm saying time now kababu ase.
I say SD na me ko enti me ade bi ebi so abrabo mbia no. Me minim say na revelation akasa afa unti preach ne dey ade be baso.
That's good.
Yeah man.
God say Pastor Pizzy. Baba. Ibrahim said you say Accra FM you are too much. Yes. I like Accra FM like my dawadawa and kontombre stew.
Baba. Hey, dini Accra o.
Aye.
Na what the FM then.
Aso keke.
It's so we say a big station.
That's right. Now I say, hey Patapa, big ups to you. This is your guy Ibrahim Seydou, a city guard officer at United States of Aguna Swedro.
More fire.
Greetings to my wife Antoinette.
You see me?
Hey Charlie, I'm out for the comments in the banner about.
Na me kanu say me choose say music is not about bragging yourself.
About
bragging yourself.
Okay.
So be a hater. I do be keke. Obi akọ university owie no oyibi wa akọ university owie no oyibi tiefi
oyibi na semfas one man so
yes nti okọ school ko ye den nti ya me be hirawa enye wo university
and then true
na enye wo de wo me fe South Africa enye ko ye ni membra
oh open to kapa and to kai the pa Serena Isa say Patapa, this song is really nice. Grace Agama say I love this song.
Can say me the bakubi man nansi enchi bia.
Okay. We should say ask Patapa if he goes to church and who is his favorite pastor.
Me miss of the offense of Godwin or Benso. Okay. Baby again ye bitima me na lady we ye bitima me.
Okay.
I want to miss of no.
Ma me fa 3 minutes in kind of yemra me because almost mean some monum no.
More fire.
Wisdom amenyo say I'm feeling the best show at Katamasu Patapa, keep it up. Wisdom amenyo.
Thank you.
Or say Patapa, I love you.
More fire.
Na natural man say, hey, in here, what be the name? Wabodi ndada. Patapa no size Richard and the buyer.
God bless you.
David said Patapa you do all.
Amen.
And Nana ya said boss you dey lie. David ba hit. I said David ba na nya Patapa. I say ask him if he was truly poison.
It's very true.
Yeah, poison.
True.
Okay, I'll say true.
By eating perfenti.
Yeah. Omega Near said, and I always love your interview with this guy. Ha ha ha. Live.
100%.
Yeah. Benis Obi Accra FM, you mad wa. Abdullah Wahidi said, watching live from Dambai. Bob Afibi said, keep on with the good work always. Patapa, I love you.
God bless you too.
Salifu Nafiu said, Patapa, you do all.
Marvin.
And I wish to say, Patapa on fire. Mubarak. Brad Collins said, Nana, good morning, please. Today is my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Brad Collins. So I say, greetings to Patapa. I love him so much.
And Mami Manakaka. Happy birthday to you.
Remind me, you
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Collins, you are wana appetition na garlic no. Comments
no, you be kind, but yes, I enjoy you. Me patcho muntie nyum ni ye. Me kwa na. Me komini freestyle. Yes, I know where say me to. Enjoy this one, brand new one from Patapa. Adam Konkonsa featuring Akwaboa and afi Godget. You didn't know Godget.
Godget. That's man. That's man. Nanka me no de dia intensity de dia lado. Akosura me no do ya intensity de dia lada. Nanse me no do ya intensity de dia lado. Wo fia fa o machine for to aka FM sisia. Tie. Nanka me no do ya intensity de dia lado. Say me no do ya intensity de dia lada. Akosura me no do ya intensity de dia lado. Yako. We artist no am back from we gaye. We are kokonseni ya se uhu bibi ya yedi. Adam kokonseni se uti bibi ya yedi. Baby asia keka ye fenko si baby ya. Am papa. Adam me ke tu ya ye fenko baby ya. Adam kokonseni se uhu bibi ya yedi. Se we are kokonseni se uti bibi ya yedi. Ampa. Baby asia keka ye fenko si baby ya. Abraham me get to ya I am go baby. I'm coming and boss. Wabana for Benisa, Kika some certain other phones. Say, me about below. Who was watching. Budget or singing a child or Numuya day. What better boom? But he say, you see me. Baba couldn't me do. But skeleton any na ever. Obi on the busy. Now why anim? Bonumni okay. Me jama ko bla mo na to we ti ba ko bla na part nka kana shade. Okay. Ba ko bla na part. No, the animu dia na chiri ho dia. Ahade ya ko bla na part na. Ko back akra. Ko bla. Enko start. They don't This Akobana come me. So come out. Who did you? Yeah, not the tea. Concerning Babylon. Watch Oh, beautiful. Happy birthday to Mr. John Possible. Mr. John Possible, today is your birthday. From your daughter, Esikafuhima. Or see your daughter, Papa. Now, Esikafuhima Sembusa said, that Ben Abe wadi burino or take charge of no maybe mount. Hey, Baba! I saw best sponsor or can be so. Hey, I got from my main sponsor. Aye. Mommy, what they won't be a lockdown. Okay. We'll be a lockdown here, a lockout. Naka ni do. I love that. Remember, my boss have ball. Okay. Or ball now. I'll bet you pay. Our terms. Patapa, boss. Young far growing in Antunche. The course of American, what?
Bibinina abrofono etiano so oyina sukunu no what is our story?
Very bad. Very bad. Until Obin put to frame say to wife you bro you be then no.
Okay.
My wife man will be stay Ghana be 3 times. And I believe the girl no. But one thing is me sister no and yeah ade aye hu ne keke spiritual things.
Yeah.
But Ojon will say ade esi
there na spiritual things no.
Me sisi ano. Sisi asase so nya me sisi.
No my ekoso no.
Ekoso no.
Spiritual.
Sunsuma ade.
Okay.
And na ni also a quote of Bible. Nta me pese me kasa akweti. Wa wonim no bo say na eden eba say na ebesi.
O yire ebroni ana o girlfriend ebroni ekoso a say won say America enye izo eho ehuri dindindindin even omo embassy ya wa ha ya ikura no na say police for twa ho nyina hia. I mean dia na obeka efa asem ho kakra.
What the police for beba wombom because of idea what the black guy no.
Yeah.
Until they think say ebia na yenso Ghana for no we can rule them. But when say Ghana for yan yadwin different. Ye hu bia ye fan te say ye nua.
Yeah.
And Ghana idea ewa ha me manage ho ye together.
Togetherness.
We don't care say ofi US we say by you no live to say ye nia ye Ghana for but most of the time no one to kwan ko be bia to say wa ko be to say Belgium abofun botume hu a they will use different name to call you what they say and they could be abochi ade den e wo ho because they hate to say one way abrofo na bia na oni obroni no oni obroni no ba ye den eti you see me you see any day ade o ba yen Ghana fo
embo hu
da bi na say ukuma en fama
say un say nipa munyi mu no Germany for no mo ye pa still cry wo ho
e wo ho
embo hu kakra
bia me for me no me do na me ya no en ye ukun obokumi.
Okay, all right,
yeah man.
Nti da bena ye hwe ni mu half caste baby
and some put the Mitchell Mitchell flash da wa go live
padapa ene ye madam for papa ne birthday ye fe ni Ima
Blima
or ye CEO ewo photography oheneba
me
pa cho say to happy birthday nyum kakra bi ma no ono na odi ni nua Mike aba otwitwa mfonyini wa hasa no nti to happy birthday man mama
mfonyini for to me page no so na
bi the best send ya man to happy birthday
man ye man ko
yanko
happy birthday
ni ndi Ima
Bobobis.
Aye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Brahima. How old are you now? So, catch a man out of the phone. How old are you now?
Yeah, that's even better. Now, oh, yeah, nyom soma, Chita FC. Omo
omo kaswa.
Oh, okay.
Na manager no so oyo good what say wa.
Yeah.
I say ohun nipa ohun say nipa ni. Ohun nipa ohun say nua ni.
Okay.
Nti abema ye ne ko bo team. Un say part suggest ye wo team wo.
Okay.
Yeah,
what team?
Oh, what da.
Okay.
Part suggest team Ali Joel Munade me press ni bi. Bana Munade o che. Nti ye no ko bo na gua wodu gu ye won. Gua wodu gu ye.
Eno ye den omo hye mo. Anombo mo.
She.
Aha. En chefita.
Keeper mu abo fa no tum. So o se Chelsea keeper no.
Bo fa ne. Ni nantem. Badaba.
O za bravo ya gaza na typical deep.
Agurasi asetra de yi.
Da be when you cry se bi you cry bobo. Da bi bo no e fa utum.
Wa ti. O nantem. E fa nantem.
Bo he no po ya se. O na ni tim.
Ena omo hye mo.
Ade awade ye but mu say waka sumu na ade ne office atim no mu na eden ebepui.
Oh, okay.
Nti manager no so obi wa fam te say ne ba. Dent na ye ne fan support team because we Ghana si say one team a we ma mofra no wo si won so a wo bo. Yeah, at the end of we no year no say ebia blaster press bebre was at team no. Big team pa.
Nti uji scanner na we nwum na.
Oh, dabi. Manager no wa fam te say ono me Kofi Kinata muna adi ne wa fan te say yemba. Oh, you good. Mr. Yati.
Yenti nyun be 2 minutes.
Okay, nice one.
KP the baddest producer.
You say Accra FM. Accra FM. Accra FM. 100.5.
La sopa topa. Yeah, abiono nini mo mlambe chebi. Na kesi nuni mlambe chebi. Na gono nini mo mlambe chebi. Na kesi nuni mlambe chebi no Blambe shebi o eye cheetah, cheetah. Blambe shebi no eye cheetah, cheetah.
Accra FM. Accra FM.
Okay, si man ka se be shemo. 1. Na man ka se be shemo. 2. Si man ka se be shemo. 3. Na man ka se be shemo. 4. Ye be shemo. 5. Shout out to Akasu, Atu, Toku. Challenge more players, respect. Patopa wo. Ye patopa. Coach Patopa wo. So patopa. Okay. Into better say.
Okay, say enyumwe na oyema Cheetah FC4. Wow, wifey, hey, ono do fudie. Mudi odo.
Ono ye ba no jibi ndi na so nya bota no hwen yi.
Omo de
ye na wa hwa.
Ahwa, so do.
But I can't hear the pepe.
Ba uja na obehawo.
Da biwe mu ni meduro to. Ghana for.
Ono ni meduro to betima botu.
Na say to the boom Ghana play once. So we Ghana ni botu e do be ya lato a.
Araba ye na obi pe Adam Konkonsa obenya bi wo hin.
Adam Konkonsa do komi page no so a na ko be bia do mark be bia boko bia ndom na eden e da ho.
Okay. Omo ko download ni for free ana omo nkoto.
Bacho ene de patupa. Say ndom ne kan akoma. Okode a downloading pan e ko beto persuase.
Okay.
But we say untimi ko club so ko to CD. Sad na say aye etrum. Nti okowa
CD ti say sa CD
ko
can CD madwin ko fa.
Ko da dumba. Daddy anu mi e o ba ti so ko to ka say. Wodo bo se ni bi etrum.
Atwem bra. Enti yesi ano enyum no out.
Yeah, we out.
Obia ba de me yemfa agro nso nche. This is a beautiful song.
Me say me eba no. Wo de wa sama me boss no. Na ahaso ye bi fie. Wo beti menka. Ko we put a lockdown no ho de na Adam Konkonsa no.
Why a video?
Enche bia ye say Friday way, but we so china ye wo interviews bibli so ye.
I know.
Enti ye wi a Sunday no. And ye share kobo na ya ne papa.
Abrantie bi ewu a oye radio presenter na oye adwuma wo Despite Media ye friend no Kwadwo wi afemede ne mfonyin kra kire wo. Ade na be ka kire abusuafo.
Ma me ka kire abusuafo no say yes one day. Na duye so. Na sisi anu ya so so makwa na rapture to me see anytime. Nti won ka wa kuma to ni me amena oni ma de oyeden. Oye. Service we dey ya o. But obi enu obotum we gyan fa akona we to akọ heaven to say Jesus Christ.
It's true.
Nti ebia na amena wa to so afre no. So nkodru na hom. Ebi so an ni ma de nti yankopon ato so ayeden. For their friends here bompai na yen fen de den yen fen tane krichi. Okay. Sene be ya obotum we ya peaceful baby obotum aweden. Wa rest because obo wa no ba asasi so be yen ma bone na de ba we si ente no won ya masem bia na yen no asem bia no. Or a presentant yen yen fa support na mpa bo yen fen tane krichi sene ya obenya baby papa yankopon na ayeden. Ordinary.
You sure say o next one now see nhwe ni mu no ha na e be premier nwum no.
True.
Yen hwe ni mu man te be mu.
Manager we de mbesa wa okasa.
Ana ya chire say ni eba banti no ye hwe ni mu sa na e be kan na meboa. That's it. O social media handles ni e den patapa.
When de oko
Instagram
patapa no score amisti.
Okay.
Bibia.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
Nyame shirawo.
Musu me da se.
Omo say nyame ma uska kai o fans na ye bibi mo munya so mfa.
And ye very important.
Nti omo say me kan chiro.
Musu me da wase.
Omo say so far onye ska pa nti ye bibi ma fans. Why?
Me ye pa.
Oh yeah, wo.
Because say one thing is we say me live o should do. And ade bia shata why le why ye wo. Akra bia e wo sa lockdown bia ma ya ma should do for. So want to check sanitizer.
So do ni ba ko ni gina onya bi ntu ya fa ne de ma.
No po nose mask no pat so just say bi buy.
O di bi buy.
Ye de bebe o ka na.
Ye wi ni age ye de kra.
Thank you.
Yes ye da say why. Aha de say oni so fi.
Say na ye ba o find say oni ano.